all set up and camp hooked up and RV all hooked up and good to go, but I want to go check out, there's this winery like 7 minutes away. I think it's called Three Texans Winery, and I figured I'd go check it out before they close because they're not open tomorrow. So since we're only a couple minutes down the road, I figure it's worth a shot to go take a look, see what they offer, and maybe grab a bottle to bring back for tonight. So let's go check it out. First night, finally got set up, watching some football, but I'm getting hungry, so it's time to prep dinner and get that going. Tonight we are making a basically just a kielbasa and potatoes foil packet. Throw a little carrots in there, but foil. It's just fitting together. you.